संदेश लाए दशहरा, सत्य का दीप जलाए दशहरा, अंधकार चाहे जितना भी गहरा हो, अंत में उजाला फैलाए दशहरा. No matter how powerful evil may seem, it will always be defeated by righteousness. No matter how long the night is, dawn will always break. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. I am Sonakshi.
And I am Seerat.
Today, we gather here to celebrate one of the most significant festivals of our culture, Dussehra. We, the students of class 8th A and B, have got the golden opportunity to conduct this assembly.
Now, some of my friends will lead us into the prayer. May this prayer not just be words that we listen to, but let them resonate within each one of us, giving us peace, strength, and courage to handle what lies ahead.
Dussehra, also known as Vijayadashmi, marks the victory of Lord Ram over the demon king Ravan. It symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. And it's not just about the victory of Lord Ram, it's also a time for us to reflect on our lives and the battles we face every day.
Each day comes with its unique opportunities. An inspiring thought can be the catalyst that drives us to approach the day with enthusiasm and to ignite the flames of inspiration. Here we have Karanveer to share the thought of the day.